This is Hangzhou, a city on the east coast of China where we started our journey. A journey to make the world a better place. That sense of mission then became part of our genetic makeup. We will connect people and commerce from each corner of the world and give every drop of water the chance of rising to the crest of the wave. Lianlian, as a payment company that provides comprehensive digital payment and value-added services to businesses around the world, is a connector to bridge the traditional economy with the digital economy and China with the global market, and to make trading easily accessible and friction-free. With the economies converge, digital-enabled cross-border e-commerce is becoming a new engine of global economic growth. This sock factory from Haining, from Zhejiang province, has found challenges expanding overseas.
We sell our products to Europe, the United States, Brazil, and Japan through various e-commerce platforms. However, we had to grapple with the complexity of receiving payments in different currencies from multiple platforms and countries, which made everyone quite anxious. We turned to Lianlian for help, and they provided us with a one-stop cross-border payment solution customized to our need to ensure fund security and convenience.
The voyage of globalization for enterprises is not without storms or hidden reefs. For instance, if they want to achieve long-term and steady growth, they need to have a well-thought-out strategy and execution plan before they dab their feet in the highly volatile global foreign exchange market.
We receive our sale proceeds in multiple currencies, making it difficult to make settlements on the same day, thereby missing the opportunity to settle on a favorable exchange rate. What Lianlian did for us was a suite of services for timely currency exchange and rate locking up to help us reduce exchange rate fluctuation-induced risks and losses.
The digital transformation of traditional businesses has proved to be an irreversible trend of our time. Global commerce participants will miss the train if they do not equip themselves in time with essential, digitalized, and AI-enabled tools.
We operate our business both online and offline, which utilize diversified transaction methods such as integrated payments, secure sub-accounts, and single-purpose prepaid cards. Lianlian has customized a secure, compliant, and efficient one-stop digital solution for us, integrating omni-channel collection, fund management, and financial services. This solution has helped our platform upgrade.
Southeast Asia is emerging as one of the fastest-growing markets. In addition to making available to our local teams and clients the products and solutions that have proved effective in the China and other markets, Lianlian has been working closely with local businesses to develop local solutions catering to the client's demand.
We have chosen Lianlian as our cross-border payment platform. Throughout our collaboration, Lianlian has provided a secure, compliant, swift, and convenient payment solution, tailored perfectly for cross-border e-commerce. Their sales and customer service teams have been incredibly supportive and attentive, freeing us up from any payment worries. This partnership has been instrumental in facilitating our business to double in 2022 and 2023.
After years of development, Lianlian has grown into China's #1 independent digital payment solution provider. In its joint venture with American Express, Lianlian has in operation the first Sino-foreign bank card clearing and settlement company in China, Express Company. Leveraging a global payment network based on 64 licenses, covering over 100 countries and regions, integrated solutions, and a proprietary technology platform, Lianlian has built a world-leading financial services infrastructure, empowering the global growth of modern enterprises with technology. Lianlian, by holding to its mission of connecting China with the world, shall work with all the partners and spare no efforts in bringing all the merchants and markets together digitally.